Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you today how I made these vases and blinged them out with 90% pretty much all the items from the Dollar Tree. So here you see I have them displayed on my dining room table and my buffet table here in my home. But originally I made these vases specifically for a birthday party to display on the buffet table there. So come on in and let me show you how I bling out all these Dollar Tree items and turn them into a banquet and buffet table vase. For one base, I use 4 of these soy sauce clear glass bowls, as well as these 2 glasses from the Dollar Tree. And then also I have the clear epoxy that I will mix together to seal them together. But I would advise to use clear Gorilla Glue. It's less messier than using the epoxy. I just used the epoxy because it was what I already had at home, and I knew I was going to cover it with the Mod Podge and the glitter. So you would need Mod Podge as well as regular glitter and fine glitter, and then of course you're going to need your the brushes to put them on, to apply them. And I'm using here a sponge and also a paint brush, and then some painter's tape. And lastly, this bling ribbon on a roll that I got from Walmart, but the Dollar Tree has some as well. So first I started by mixing my epoxy according to the directions that is on the packet, and I'm using a clear plastic container to mix it, and I'm going to use this little stick to apply it. Now again, I would suggest you use the clear Gorilla Glue. Like I said, I'm just using this because it was what I had. So I'm just going to mix this, and then I'm going to glue the 2 bowls, the little dipping bowls, together first. Once I finished doing that, I glued both sets of the bowls together on top of each other. And once this is finished, you're going to want to let this sit for at least 8 hours. I found something else to do, worked on another project, but when you're working with clear Gorilla Glue and when you're working with epoxy, you will have to let it sit for a little while before you start to handle it. So before I go to the next step, I waited about 8 hours and let this part set. Here I'm adding the first glass on one end of the bowl, and then I'm going to add the second glass on the bottom of this, but I will have to wait 8 hours after this one sets. And then now I've waited my 8 hours, added the second one, and this is what it looks like. and I just add the painter's tape where I'm going to stop my Mod Podge and my glitter. I'm going to apply the Mod Podge and regular glitter in small sections until I've completed the entire section that I have taped off. So I'm going to do it section by section. Next, I'm going to fill in with the fine glitter where the larger glitter did not cover those spaces. And then I'm going to go ahead and section off the rest of my sections and complete it all with the same steps that I just used. So this is what it looks like when I've completed all the steps, but to me it was missing something. I wanted a little more bling to it, so I decided to bring in the fine gold glitter. So I took my paintbrush and put light coats of the Mod Podge in different spots where I wanted the fine gold glitter to be placed. And then once I did that, I got the look that I really wanted. So this is what it looks like when I finish applying the glitter. This is the look I wanted with both colors of gold and silver glitter. Now the last step will be to seal the glitter on there. Now the final step would be to seal this, and I would do this by using Mod Podge, and I had to decide if I wanted to use the shiny finish or the matte finish, because here you're seeing it's glitter is still coming off. You can't really see it on here, but yeah, with handling it, the glitter will continue to come off if you don't seal it. So I had to decide if I wanted to use the matte finish or the shiny finish, and I'm gonna go with the shiny finish because I want that glossy look on it, so the bling will kind of shine out. Here it is. It's finished with all of those steps. You can end it like this if you don't want to add the diamond ribbon around the edge. I decided to do it because I wanted a little more bling on mine, and I think it just enhanced it a bit further with using them. So this is the step where I just hot glued it on there. So that's all I did outside of anything else that you may see is that I hot glued. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can receive notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.